AI in the workplace, job creation versus job destruction. Will artificial intelligence replace you at work, or will it actually give you a better career than you ever imagined? Most people think AI is either a job killer or a magical job creator. But the truth? It's a lot more complicated and way more surprising than you think. Stay tuned, because this debate could change how you look at your future. Think about it. Every major technological revolution, from steam engines to electricity to the internet, has created winners and losers. Some people found entirely new careers, others saw their jobs vanish overnight. Now with AI, the same question is on everyone's mind. Is this the biggest job creator in history, or the most ruthless job destroyer? Some experts say AI will automate boring tasks, free us to be more creative, and even open up industries we can't yet imagine. Others warn that millions of jobs, from drivers to office assistants, could disappear faster than we can adapt. Here's the twist. Both sides might be right. And in this video, we're going to dig into the surprising truths about whether AI is your biggest career threat or your greatest opportunity. Here's a controversial take. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating more than we realize. Let's break it down. Point 1, automation creates new industries. Think about it. When cars replaced horse-drawn carriages, millions feared unemployment. But instead, it created entire industries: mechanics, gas stations, highways, even fast food drive-thrus. AI is doing the same. Today, we have job titles that didn't even exist 10 years ago: AI ethicist, prompt engineer, machine learning trainer. Point 2, AI supercharges human productivity. Instead of eliminating workers, AI often makes them more valuable. A doctor using AI for diagnosis doesn't lose their job. They become faster, more accurate, and capable of saving more lives. The same goes for architects, lawyers, even teachers. AI isn't replacing them, it's upgrading them. Point 3, AI lowers barriers to opportunity. In the past, you needed big budgets, offices, or teams to start a company. Now what? A teenager with a laptop and AI tools can design a logo, write code, and launch a business in days. That's job creation on steroids, not just for corporations, but for individuals everywhere. But won't AI just eat up routine jobs and leave millions behind? Yes, some repetitive jobs will disappear, but history shows this happens with every wave of innovation. The real challenge isn't that AI kills jobs, it's how we adapt. The internet destroyed travel agencies, but created online booking platforms.
The key is not whether jobs vanish, it's whether society invests in retraining, education, and adaptation fast enough.
Here's the truth bomb. AI doesn't guarantee a brighter future. It depends on how we use it. If we embrace AI only as a cost-cutting tool, millions of workers could be left behind. Picture entire communities losing jobs overnight, with no safety net, no retraining, no path forward. That's not progress, that's devastation. But flip the script. If we treat AI as a partner, not a replacement, the results could be revolutionary. Imagine a world where boring, repetitive work is handled by machines, and humans focus on creativity, empathy, and innovation. A world where teachers spend more time teaching instead of grading, doctors spend more time healing instead of filing paperwork, and workers get to chase meaningful projects instead of drowning in busy work. The real danger isn't AI. The danger is pretending this debate doesn't matter. Because if we ignore it, we might wake up in a future where opportunity belongs only to those who adapt fastest, while everyone else is left behind. So here's the big question. Is AI the ultimate job creator or the ultimate job destroyer? Do you believe it's opening doors to brand new careers or closing them faster than we can keep up? Drop your take in the comments, because this isn't just theory, it's about your future, your career, and maybe even your kids' futures. And if you love diving into debates that challenge assumptions, and sharpen your critical thinking, hit that subscribe button. This is Donkey Debates, where no claim goes unchallenged. So, is AI building the future of work or tearing it down? Let's debate.